It's Easter weekend here at Buckland. It's a gorgeous Easter Saturday morning, and the job for this weekend is to cut down this enormous dead gum tree before it falls down. He's a bit of a monster.
This is Jen for perspective.
Matt, the expert tree dropper, tells me that to avoid it hitting, oh, sorry, I made it spin a bit fast. To avoid it hitting the cabin or the oak tree or any of our silver birches, he's going to have to drop it right in the middle here. Heidi, are we still a bit nervous that it might not, like, right along here, through there? Anyway, we'll make a video of it so that you can see this big monster coming down before it blows over in the wind and smashes through the cabin.